Hi, I'm Meg from BJ's Automotive here today with your tech tip. Today we're going to play Name That Part. Now this is generally a part that you don't see. It's located behind the interior door panels on every single door that has a window that goes up and down. This metal piece right here generally attaches to the window, while this piece right here controls whether or not the window goes up and down. Any guesses? If you had said your window motor regulator assembly, you would be correct. Your window motor is generally attached to a set of cables that pulls the cables either in one direction or the other in order for your window to go up or down depending on what you have commanded. Signs of this window motor assembly going bad are, well, frankly, your window not going up and down. If your regulator is having issues, sometimes you'll notice when the glass goes down, it's not going down straight as it should, or it seems to be very, very slow. If you're having any issues with any of your windows, give us a call. We can check it out and advise you on the best course of action. That's your tech tip for today. Stay tuned for next week.